Now we invite you to a small guide on installing European windows, and that in two different ways, either on mounting anchors or on screws. We start by removing the window sash from the frame. This is so that we have better access and can calmly prepare the frame for installation. Then, about every 27.5 inches, we install mounting anchors and gently bend them downwards to securely hold the frame. Before inserting the frame into the opening, we place mounting shims at the bottom of the opening. This is important because it ensures even frame alignment and prevents shifting during installation. Once we have these anchors installed, we insert the frame into the previously prepared opening. And of course, to keep the frame from moving, we again use those mounting shims to precisely set the vertical and horizontal alignment. Then we check if everything is indeed straight using a level. Only then do we firmly tighten those anchors to ensure stability. If the frame is sitting properly, we can proceed to install the window sash into the frame. Now let's move on to screw mounting. Here we start exactly the same ways, removing the sash, inserting shims, and placing the frame. But instead of anchors, we mount the frame on these screws. If you inform the manufacturer beforehand that you will be installing the window on screws, the holes will be pre-drilled. But if not, you will have to drill these holes yourself to ensure everything fits perfectly. Once the frame is properly seated, we install the sash, double-checking that everything functions as it should. And finally, of course, we install the handle and caps to completely protect our window from rain or debris. Thanks to these simple steps, your window will not only look good, but above all, it will be securely installed, providing you with peace of mind and comfort for a long time.